This video will show you how to set the default visibility in Dynamics 365. In some scenarios, people need to hide certain fields when they launch the screen and customize their views to fit their needs. So in this example, I have opened up a test opportunity here, and I can click on Form. This will open up the form screen for you, so you can edit the form. For this example, I'm going to set the default visibility of Purchase Time Frame field. So you highlight it and then click Change Properties. Once you click on this Change Properties button, you will see there's a section for visibility. You can uncheck that visible by default checkbox and then click OK. And make sure to click Save and then Publish. And once you close, after you do this, you can see, you can go back to the opportunity and see whether the changes have taken place. And as you can see, the field is no longer visible when you launch the opportunity. Thank you very much. Until next time.